Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some small kitchen organization ideas. Let's take a look. Organizing a small kitchen requires smart storage solutions, space-saving techniques, and creative styling. Here are more smart tips for organizing a small kitchen. Use clear storage bins. Store similar items together in labeled bins to keep your pantry and fridge tidy. Install under cabinet lighting. LED stripe lights under cabinets make it easier to see and organizing items. This also enhances the overall look of the kitchen. Use a slim rolling cart for narrow spaces. A narrow cart can fit between appliances or next to the fridge for extra storage. Store spices, oils or baking supplies in it for easy access. Hanging rod with ace hooks. Place a metal rod under cabinets or on the backsplash to hang utensils, cups or dishcloths. This keeps counters clutter-free. Store appliances efficiently. Keep frequently used appliances on the counter, but store rarely used ones in cabinets. If possible, use multifunctional appliances. Example, an air fryer that also bakes. Use a lazy cushion for hard-to-reach areas, perfect for storing condiments, oils, or canned goods in cabinets or pantries. Helps avoid having to reach deep into shelves. Add hooks under cabinets or shelves, and coffee mugs, cooking utensils, or small baskets to utilize unused space. Use a foldable kitchen island or wall-mounted table. Provides extra counter space and can be tucked away when not in use. A foldable or drop-lip table can double as a prep area and dining space. Keep counters minimalistic. Store only daily use items on the counter to keep the space feeling open. Use stylish trays to group essentials like salt, pepper, and oils for a tidy look. Use a bulky drawer. The space beneath lower cabinets can be turned into a hidden drawer for storing baking trays or extra kitchen linens. Add a wall-mounted magnetic spice rack. Mount a spice rack on the wall or inside a cabinet drawer to free up counter space. Use a stackable or nesting cookware. Choose nesting bowls, measuring cups, and stackable pots and pans to save cabinet space. Use over-the-door storage. Hang an organizer over the pantry or cabinet door for small items like foil, wraps, and cleaning supplies. Store fruits and vegetables in hanging baskets. Free up counter space by using wall-mounted or ceiling hang baskets for produce. Create a command center on the fridge. Use magnetic baskets, notepads, or hooks on the fridge for organizing grocery lists, meal plans, and quiz. Utilize the sides of cabinets. Install small shelves or hanging storage on the exposed side of cabinets for spices, coffee cups, or utensils. Use a tirade stand for storage. A tirade stand or cake stand can hold kitchen essentials like oils, salt, pepper, and a small plant while keeping counters neat. Keep your brush can hidden. Use a pull-out brush pin inside a cabinet to keep it out of sight and free up the floor space. Label everything. Use chalkboard labels, sticker labels, or even clip-on labels to keep pantry items organized and easy to find. Use a portable kitchen cart. A cart with wheels can be used for prep work and easily rolled away when not needed. Keep a clutter-free mindset. Regularly declutter by donating or storing unused kitchen gadgets and keeping only essentials. Install a fold-down counter. A foldable wall-mounted countertop can serve as extra prep space and be tucked away when not in use. Use cabinet door-mounted holders. Attach small racks inside cabinet doors for lids, wraps, cutting boards, or cleaning supplies. Hang a ceiling-mounted portrait. If you have high ceilings, a hanging portrait can save cabinet space and create a stylish look. Use an expandable drawer organizer. Adjustable organizers help maximize the storage for utensils, knives, and small kitchen tools. Store cutting boards in a file organizer. A simple magazine file rack can neatly hold cutting boards, trays, and baking sheets. Add a slim shelf above the backsplash. Install a shallow floating shelf above the stove or sink for spices, oils, or decorative items. Use an over-the-cabinet basket. These handy baskets hang over cabinet doors for extra storage without taking up space. Offer collapsible kitchen items. Use flexible measuring cups, colanders, and bowls to save storage space. Use a clear or wire storage bins in the fridge. Keep similar food items grouped together in labeled bins for an organized fridge. Repurpose a bookshelf for extra storage. A narrow bookshelf can work as a pantry or open storage for dishes and cookbooks. Use a sink caddy for essentials. Keep dish soap, sponges, and scrubbers neatly stored in a small caddy near the sink. Add a pegboard wall for flexible storage. A pegboard can hold kitchen tools, small shelves, and baskets in a customizable layout. Use a lazy cushion in the fridge. Makes it easier to access condiments and small jars without digging through shelves. Keep everyday items in a decorative tray. A small wooden or metal tray keeps oils, salt, and pepper in one spot while looking stylish. Utilize a microwave top for storage. If safe, store lightweight items like a basket with coffee essentials on top of your microwave. Hang these towels inside cabinet doors. Install a small towel bar inside the drawer under the sink for dishcloths and rugs. Thanks for watching.